Good afternoon, boys and girls. The McGillicuddy hangout. I'm here today screwing around, and I want to get hammered. Yeah. Might even drill it. I don't know yet. But I want to show you an old symbol of my childhood, or my teenage years. And that is the buffalo. There's his head. See his head? And his back and his four legs. That is so smart, eh? And then when you turn it, it looks like a ship. Yes, we used to enjoy that. Oh, the old days of quality. But I want to screw around a bit here. So, in light of that idea, in my other shows I showed you about a pussy. Well, there's a kitty, or my pussy. And Pussy Encyclopedia. Yeah. Now, my hammer, as if you had been watching the other video, blew its head off, and now I've got to do something about that. And I can't have it blowing its head off again. So I'm going to screw around with it, if I can. And you can watch this. Okay. There we go. Is that going to work? Is that going to... Yep, you can see right there's the hammer, the head. We're going to do some drill and some screwing around. Stay still. Look at that, it's getting hammered too. There we go. Oh. See, I got a couple of these. You might see them in top of walking sticks or cane. In later episodes, we'll be playing with one of these and polishing out a birdie. But until then, we're going to have some hammering to do. And if you look behind me, you'll see the truck. Yeah. You'll see the truck there. And you see the back fender? It's open. It's open to the world. Nice tunage, isn't it? I recommend get buy their albums. Should buy their albums, you know. Now we got to check for some rust here. And oh, we were talking about the microwave earlier. Remember the microwave? Here. Now, I wonder what this is. Do you think that don't sound like glass, does it? There's a musical group called Stomp. Always wanted to go see them in a river dance. My little girl and I, we went to see Mamma Mia. Now that was pretty cool. It's coming to an end in New York City. But it was definitely an awesome production. We really enjoyed it. I'm going to wipe your eye so you can see me. I don't want any mess ups. You can't afford to misunderstand me, right? Now let's have a good look at this. See what kind of goodness we can do here. And we could have a look and see what this is all about. Because this looks like tape. Look at that. That's called, looks like a motherboard of some sort. Hey, it's got 2 levels on it. And that's how they make chips. See, you're learning something again. I'm going to have to charge you some money for it. Send to me. Forget it. Just give it to your local food bank. Yeah. You see, I'm going to tell you a secret. You know those chips that are like this big? They used to be as big as a car, or one time maybe big as a house. Well, these chips now are so small because they use gold and platinum and every other kind of metal that's out there that's highly conductive of electrons and protons and mutons and dopons and whatever ons. And they see here, and this is a big picture of it, but could you just imagine, as big as, smaller than I cut in my finger, the layer per layer of resistance and whatever else you have, right? And they layer on layer, right? So put that like that and like that, and they put another one on top and another one on top, right? And then they put numbers on the other side. All it knows is that you push this button. It doesn't know the number 9 or nothing. It just knows that you push this button and that button, and you went push and start. But because of the program it runs, when you push all these buttons, it sets a count or a sequence in, and then this gets it all going. And that's the start button. See? And you see this one is a cancel button. And you see the little grill there? And it goes over here, right? And look at, this is the start button, and it goes to the same spot. But this goes over here too on the other layer, right? Where this one is on another layer again, going to a different spot with a different resistors, different capacitors on a microscopic level of stuff, telling the big one inside, which we're going to get to in a second, right back in here, what to do. See, it told you. There's the radioactive thing in there, right? That's the thing that shows right there. Look, I'm going to blow the door right off there. See? I blew the door right off. Yep. Now getting back to what we were talking about. This is another kind of like a fuse or something that I'd like to have, but not right now. Now there's a computer chip. See all the transformers and stuff? It takes a 110 power and turns it into stuff. But you see here, I bet you this was for programming it. So they plugged this in to program that chip to realize what that little thing down there is telling it to do. And look at all these resistors, right? And capacitors and whatever. There we go. And then this side, oh, the numbers. How many numbers is it? You see all the pins there? Count them. I bet you there's 9 or 10 of them. 10. See, there's number 10? That might be saying there's 10 of those pins there. You know why I say it might be? Because I never went to school for this. This is all what I overheard people talk about. And I was interested and I listened. And that's how you learn some things. And then these little wires like right there and right there, they connect and make a circuit. You see a little ziggly line there, right? That's a resistor line. And it connects it so it goes back into this one, which takes this over to this one, which goes to this one, which goes that one over there, and then back over here, back to there, that gives you the number 1. I don't know if that's true, but the guy who made this thing could probably prove me wrong, or I might be right by chance. But in all honesty, keep on the level. If you know anything about computers, you'll know when I'm speaking the truth and when I'm just BSing you. And we're having fun and learning at the same time. And you see all these little resistors have values. And right now, you know the value they have? None. Why? Because I took a hammer to it. Yep. Now I'd like to be able to take this thing. These must be some other things apart. Oh, they're all copper wire. Look at that. 2 copper wires there. And that's a switch. That's gotta come out. Come on, don't. Oh, there we go. Oh, I got a use for that switch. I'm pretty sure that's the switch that I'm looking for. Yep, see? I don't know if you can see it, but it goes number 2 and number 3. No, it's a no. No. But number 1 makes it a yes. And that's the common feed. So that's the hydro coming in, the power coming in, right? Connected to that and makes it a full circuit, right? So the power is right here. It goes around and makes a full circuit. Once it touches the 3. And that's why it works. Okay, that's what switches are. So until next time, boys and girls, be nice to everybody, make a laugh or have a laugh or give someone a laugh and make somebody happy. Don't bully anybody today or tomorrow or the next day. Whatever you did yesterday doesn't matter. Just make sure you don't do a bad thing today. Do good. Alright? Love you. Bye.